the Chainway MC51 to scan the room tag and verify the room number. Remove the used linens and replace them with clean ones. Select the cleaning type. Tap Checkout Cleaning. Scan the clean linens and confirm that no items are missing. Upload the linen data, then finish replacing the linens. Checkout cleaning completed. Use the Chainway MC51 to check warehouse inventory. Tap Inventory, then select Start Inventory. Move the reader around the linens to scan them. Once scanning is complete, tap Stop Scan, Upload, and OK. Warehouse inventory check completed.